Um, our greetings. My name is Cristian Alonso Vera Rodriguez. I am, and I am your doctor and fitness coach today, and want you some thoughts and uh, obligation to hire I hate labs and project limits. Fat or all, it is important to have a balanced diet to choose his fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains every day. You must drink info water at least 6 to 8 glasses and day. Staying hydrates is essential for both your body and your mind. You to choose a sketching for at least 30 minutes and day 5 days and make you can or join dance of go to the gym. The important thing is to stay activity. You choose sleep between 7 and 8 hours every night. Your body can recover and stay strong. Eh, eh, Avoid smoking and accept alcohol. For example, these habits harm your health and increase the risk of disease and find not visit for doctor at least once a year. Good regular medical checkups to delete enhance health problems early. Take care of your body. It will muy your health is your greatest strength. Eh, Thank you very much.